Okay, this next question is simply to help you begin to really learn to express things algebraically. And a lot of you still are having a hard time with that. You see this and you're like, where are the numbers? I don't know what C and D are. I can't express these. No, we're asking you to express them algebraically, meaning you are going to use variables. All right? You're simply going to use the variables. C times C is C squared, and D times 5 is 5D. Now, part of this is understanding what each of these words means. Subtract means I'm going to have a minus sign somewhere between this C squared and this 5D. And a lot of you just did this. Boop. But it says here I'm subtracting C squared from D5, which means I'm taking it away from D5. So it should be 5D minus C squared. Just like 5 subtracting to 2 subtracted from 5 is 3. Those two words extremely valuable. Pay close attention to every word you're asked. So that's the answer. You don't need numbers. It says express them algebraically, meaning you use variables. Divide x cubed by y squared. Once again, it's division. So I automatically think fraction. Some of you guys did this symbol. We're doing algebra now. We don't even use that symbol anymore when we're doing algebra. So we're dividing x cubed by y squared. When we divide something by something else, the thing we're dividing by goes on the bottom. Y squared, meaning y to the second power. X cubed, x to the third power. X to the third power is being divided by y squared right here. Some of you wrote it x cubed divided by y squared. I'm okay with that, but this is the best format to use and get used to. Cool? The last one says divide the product of 6a and 4 by 8b. This is the key, by. We know that 8b is on the bottom of something because it's division, divide by. We're dividing this side by this side. There's 8b. Product means multiply. So I'm going to multiply 6a and 4 together and then divide it by 8b. You can't write down mathematics in the order that you read it. If you do that, you get this one wrong. Okay? You cannot, and if you read 6a and 4, you're going to add, right? You can't look at that and in this case. You have to understand it's a product. It's multiply. So you can't actually write down the mathematics simply in the order you read it. You have to read it carefully and understand the structure behind it and then structure it the way it's stated. Okay? And you have to be a little more careful than some of you are being. All right? Subtract c times c from d times 5, 5d minus c squared. Divide x cubed by y squared, x cubed divided by y squared. Divide the product of 6a and 4 by 8b. Now, a couple of you recognize that this is 24a over 8b because 6 times 4 is 24. One of you, maybe two of you, recognize that 24 divided by 8 is 3. So I gave you a couple of extra on that. If I didn't, come see me and I'll give you a couple extra.